my heart's beating real fast.
Welcome back to Brews with Brena. Thanks for checking it out. Today I'm joined by my BFF Morgan. How are ya?
How are you, Beach?
And today we're checking out Star Beast Imperial Stout by Sookram's Brewing. And I'm pretty sure that's a Winnipeg brewing company.
It is. It's on Warsaw, I believe.
Yeah, Warsaw. You're right. Yeah. Okay, and this motherfucker is 10.5%. We're in for a real treat.
It's gonna be a lot.
Because I did swear last video I wouldn't do any more sours, which are my favorite. And so I just closed my eyes, walked in the store, and like picked the first beer that I saw, and it was this crazy mother. So let's crack it open together. Morgan, are you scared? Here we go.
Oh, that's delightful.
I don't know. Mine tastes a little warm.
I really. I don't know. Mine is ice cold.
Is yours cold?
Great. You wanna trade?
Yeah. Hold on. Let me just try.
No.
Mine's warm.
Colder.
Yeah. Oh, that's thick, bro.
I think it's like a chocolatey stout though, and I really like those. It's definitely heavy though. Like it definitely tastes like I'm gonna get up.
I feel turnt just smelling it. Dark, rich, and robust. That's definitely okay. Dark chocolates, molasses, and a resinous hop bite, which I don't understand. I feel like that just sounds fancy, but dark chocolate.
Hops is like the bitterness, right?
Yeah. And when it says IBU on a can, that describes how hoppy it is.
The International Bitterness Unit.
Is that what that means?
Yeah. Or I'm lying, but I'm lying confidently, but I think that's what it means.
It goes up to 100, but it doesn't say like that there's
IBU.
bitters in it or whatever.
That's usually with IPAs, that they have the IBU.
Well,
I think, or
sours have it on it.
Yeah,
and
you're
there's
completely correct.
My last sour said like 4. Okay, so the hairstyle we're doing today is 2 cute little buns. I feel like it's very 2016, but I don't know. What did I do the first video? I forget, but I feel like this is the 3rd video in a row where I'm doing like a half up style or something, but why not?
You gotta live your life. Drink.
Okay, so this is gonna be, I know, like, you can't forget to have a sip, but like looking at it, I feel drunk. This is definitely a beer you'd want to have very cold. I'm a big fan of putting beers in the freezer for like 15 minutes before you drink them. Okay, let's take our ratchet out.
Okay.
So brush your hair, Morgan.
Oh Lord, this might take a minute. I haven't washed my hair in a few days.
So I'm gonna be teaching Morgan how to do this style. So let's see if I'm like educating as good as I think.
Or I'm just a terrible student.
Well, if her hairstyle sucks, we'll just say that's what it is. You have your comb. Is your hair like brushed? Here, what you do, Morgan, is you brush your hair to the back.
Okay.
Brush it back like this, and then kind of push it forward like that, and then it'll just part.
Oh, so that's my natural part is to the side.
So yeah, so just go like this, push it. Oh, well, maybe your hair is a little greasy. It seems like it wants a part here though. I might just have to be a hairstylist here for a sec. I was telling Morgan not to swear before this video, and I think I was just like telling myself.
We can make like a drinking game from it. Like every time Brena says, you gotta drink.
Yeah, it'll be a beep, drink.
All right.
Okay, so how does that feel?
Feels like the middle.
If you watch my video from last week, you'll freaking know this. And then put your comb there.
Okay.
Where you want to part from. And then put your other finger at the top of your ear, because that's where you're parting to, and that's your guide. And then you're gonna go like that, all the way down to the ear. You want your comb to touch the ear.
Okay.
Ow! It sucks when you got knots in there.
She said, we gotta drink.
I smell something fucking funny.
That's my hair.
Is it your hair?
I haven't showered in a few days. Well, I've showered, I just haven't washed it.
No,
don't judge me.
No, I like this now. Don't feel stressed out or anything, it's fine. Here's the thing, mine's not perfect, but it, man. Oh,
I'm gonna be drunk by the end of this video.
We're gonna be drunk partway through. That's the thing about getting like a 10.5% beer, man. Throw a clip in there like I did. Get that out of the way.
Drink.
Oh. See how I was really just telling myself that earlier? I was like, Morgan, don't swear. AKA, honeybee, don't swear.
Honeybee.
Since you have that fresh in your head, let's just do the other part for the other side.
Okay.
You want it even on both sides. And now, okay, I'll put my comb there. I'm gonna put my finger at the top of my ear and go down. Yeah, that's great, Morgan. Let's see.
Thanks, I'm all pro.
We're gonna start with the left side. You're just gonna grab all your hair in your hand from that front section. Grab your brush. Oops. Grab your brush it back into your hand. So wherever your left hand is holding it, that's where your bun is gonna sit. So let's say you're holding your hand way back here. That's where your bun is gonna sit. I want mine like proper on the head, man, like right on top. And you brush, brush, brush till that mofo is smooth, and you gotta hold it tight. So in your left hand, hold it pretty tight. How does it feel?
Feels tight.
And then look with your mirror. I found when I was doing this half and half style, Morgan, right here, always bubbled out. So you just wanna make sure you hold it tight.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna hold it with this hand.
Okay.
Take this hair like this, almost like you're wringing out a towel. You know the motion of wringing out a towel?
Okay.
I'm gonna grab it like this, go under like that, and hold it with my 2 fingers.
Okay.
And it's, my 2 fingers are still holding it. My 2 fingers are still at anchor, and I'm just wrapping it around. Does that make sense?
I hope so. I think I'm doing it, or not.
And I'm just cupping it as I'm wrapping.
I'm gonna have some tiny buns, folks. Tiny buns.
Yeah, no, that looks really cute. Oh my God, Morgan!
Thanks.
That's a great job. Okay, so I want you to watch how I pin it. Grab a little bobby pin. So what I'm doing is I'm holding the bobby pin closed and upside down. So you're gonna go in like this. So I got a little bit of hair. I don't have a lot. It's closer to the edge. I went in down, and now I'm pulling it down like that and shoving it in.
And then on the other side?
Just wherever you're really holding it with your fingers, the hair with your fingers is where you want to shove it in. That looks really good, Morgan! Except for, like, you missed this piece.
It's stylistic.
Oh, you know, I did actually want to have a couple pieces out and down. I'm gonna redo mine.
Oh yeah, I feel like a bad bitch.
You're a bad bitch. Like, come on, are you serious right now? Oh, bitch. Does bitch count? I haven't had a sip in a little while.
Jersey.
So I'm just parting a little piece of my hair. I want to have little face framers. Part it about there. I'll part about there on that side. It's all about being even, folks. So Morgan, what do you think about the beer?
It is very heavy. It definitely tastes like it is a high alcohol percentage. I do like it. I feel like I probably wouldn't have more than one. This would be like a good like long day beer. Like if you just want a beer when you're getting home, you want to help yourself maybe fall asleep, like you want one of these really, really cold. It's good. It's just, you can definitely tell that it's almost 11%. But a really good flavor though, a really strong flavor.
It does, yeah. You know, when I've thought about it, there's nothing much I can't drink. I'd say
completely, yeah.
I'd say like Bud or Bud Light, trash, or Kokanee, any of that kind of
water
stuff.
Beer.
Yeah, water beer,
Yeah,
like
whatever.
trash,
Either
nasty. But you know what? Like I said, if it's free, yeah.
Girl's gonna drink it.
I'm gonna drink it. Okay, so since I'm kind of like redoing this, I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it again. I'm holding this with my 2 fingers, my pointer and my thumb, and I'm twisting that, kind of like you'd wring out a towel, you know? And I'm twisting that, so it should be pretty secure like that, but I'm just supporting it with those 2 fingers right there, and I'm wrapping it around itself and twisting the hair as I go. Ooh, that's tight, man. I put like 2 pins in there.
Looks good, looks good.
Do you think so?
Yes, I love it.
Horny?
Space, yeah, I'm into it.
Okay. Your makeup does look really good though.
Thanks.
What do you think?
I love it.
Do you love it?
Yeah, you always make me look the best.
Okay, so let's get on to the other side here. Oh, mine is snatched. You know, she's not perfect, but she's gonna find.
Pardon?
But she's good enough.
Oh, that's what
I'm just
Pretty
gonna be
funny.
I'm gonna be so trashed after this, like
Yeah, that's the thing. I feel like this is a dangerous beer. Even if you start your night out with it, if you're going to a party, you might pee your pants. You might you might
drinking
fall
more
in a
than
bush.
one.
Yeah.
Fall
You never
out
know.
of the
Yeah.
bush.
Okay, so yeah, I'm already frightened about how to make this the same.
You know, Morgan, it's easy. You just have to pay attention. Anything you need to redo, man, like, don't get stressed. If you're getting stressed, step back, go do your mascara, have a beer, be like, okay, I got this when you come back. Like, it's the best way to go about it. Don't get stressed out.
Have a Sookrams. Star Beast.
Sookram Star Beast, man. So I think
I did it the wrong way.
No. It doesn't matter which way you twist it. You need to cup it. So now with that hand, as you're wrapping it, kind of cup it so that you're controlling the top of the shape.
Is that better?
Yeah, and you can put your bobby pins in before you like let go. Don't open your bobby pin. Shake it yet, because you want it to crisscross anyway. So put it in tight. But you see, like right here, it could be like a little more snatch. But oh yeah, you're pulling it out. If it were me, I would just redo it. I would just redo it.
I'm feeling good about this hairstyle. I feel like I want to do this often.
I know.
Like it's very cute.
I know, it is cute. I didn't tell her what we're doing right now.
I walked into this off work, not knowing what was even happening.
Yeah, I was like, Morgan, you want to film?
I didn't even know if I was gonna be in the video.
If I feel like the center's going too high up as I'm spinning it around, I'm just holding it down with my fingers so it doesn't. And then it'll kind of keep that shape. Put it in close to the edge. We're gonna go out and then slide that in. And Morgan, how tight was it when I did that on you?
It was tight.
Tight, man. And when you see, huh? Oh, so when you crisscross the bobby pins, so when they go across each other, they're gonna lock in like mofos. They're really gonna just lock in there.
He's standing uppy.
That's okay. Anything like that we can totally fix with hairspray or like, I feel like you might want to pin it right there and hold it down just so it matches this one a little bit. No, you do it on yourself. Okay, so mine's fluffing up like this. I'm just gonna grab it and shove it right back down. Yeah, make sure they're even. Being even and secure is the most important thing. If one's popping up going wacky-dacky, just pin it down a little bit. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's good enough. Man, that's embarrassing how dumb we are. Cheers. Morgan's gonna use a wand because that's what she's best at. I'm gonna use a flat iron because that's what my hair looks best with at its length. And we're gonna start with our heat protectant. This company makes some of my favorite sours, and I feel like I was really branching off and getting this stout, and I was so proud of myself. Starbeast, like, come on. If you want to get drunk for cheap, Starbeast is your man. Are you turned?
I'm turned.
Okay, now let's just curl our hair. Loose curls, whatever. You can wear it straight. You can wear it just like this. Okay, so my camera turned off. This 10.5% beer has got me turned to F.
I'm drunk.
So basically what you missed is that we curled our hair. That was it. We curled our hair. And then we used Bedroom.Hair. Ooh, sexy, sensual. Yeah, I'm turned. Some people just have shorter hairs, more flyaways. What you want to do is use a stronghold hairspray. You want to kind of veil the hair in hairspray, just lightly. You don't want to go attack it, but in a light veil. You want to take the edge of your comb. The edge, don't dig in like that, and just slightly go like this, and it's gonna make a huge difference. Just makes it look more put together. Okay, Morgan, so what is our review of this beer? Would you buy this beer again?
I think I would buy this beer again. Like I said before, it's like if I have a long day at work, if I just want one beer, relaxing on the couch, I'm gonna have this one. It's 10.5%. It's gonna get me going. I'm gonna sip my beer for like an hour and a half, and it's got a really good flavor. But it's definitely a heavy beer. This is not an all-night drinking beer. You will be drunk.
Blue, shut up! Blue! Shut the up! Yeah, boys, she's thick. She's thick, that beer.
It was thick.
The only thing this tasted like is alcoholic molasses. A fancy version because it's craft, but it's okay. I wouldn't buy it again. I would drink it again, but you know, not my favorite. See, I'm all about being honest. Can't lie. This pause now, like he's kind of annoying. I haven't introduced him before, but this is Blue. We call him Stanko. And if you hear snorting or scratching in the background, or for the last 5 minutes whining, who's this guy? Who's this guy? Hello, is it Blue? Oh my gosh, his paws smell like crack.
He's an angel.
Or Doritos.
Either one.
Pick your poison. So Morgan, what did you think of the hairstyle?
Okay, I love this hairstyle. I would definitely do it again. Brena made it feel easy for me, and I feel cute as what's it?
Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'm so happy Morgan joined us this time. It was a sporadic, kind of spur of the moment thing, but it was fun being able to teach her. You know, usually I'm talking to a camera, so it's like, am I really educating that well? And I think I am. Look how banging Morgan looks.
I feel like a bad bitch.
She looks dope. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Even if you hated this video, tell me if you hated it. I want to hear it. Get me them comments, baby. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. We cheers it.